Welcome back to another episode of Starring Courtney on the Janelle Beat channel. We're in the bushes, as you can see. Yes. So we just drive like an hour and a half out of Toronto in some bushes. It's called Hamilton. And before we can even get to do what we're doing, we have all these hungry belly people here.
Hey guys!
Show them what we got. Let's show them what we got.
Okay, we got sandwiches and fruit.
Yeah. And water.
And water.
That's about it.
And that's it.
Yeah, and then we have bushes. I know you guys are wondering what are we doing today. Yeah. So we're checking out some new waterfalls. Because you know I like to go in the bushes. I'm a bushman, the bushwhacker. And I bring along JJ with me. And then
new hike trail.
We bring Shane. We kinda don't know where we're going.
But we're ready for the road.
Yeah. Are we gonna pay for parking?
No.
Guys, tell us, do you think we should pay for parking? This doesn't make sense. They want you to pay for parking, but there's no security here to watch your car. We can go to all, hey, there's more than one falls there. There's Tiffany Falls, Webster Falls. There's 3 falls there. You guys really not gonna give me any sandwich?
No, you don't eat these sandwiches.
I wanna see a deer or bear. Yeah. There's too many human activities here.
I said that today, Shane.
I want to see one in a boat.
Shane,
So much people there.
Shane never seen a deer in his life.
Never.
Okay guys, so we're at waterfall number 1. So this is the trail. Up the stairs. This is the scenery that we have so far.
Wow.
Whoa. Look how clean it is. Guys, look how clean it is. Not even no garbage, nothing. Like, look at the water flow. Whoa. See JJ tying up her here because she's gonna take a shower. Oh yeah. JJ. You gonna touch the water? What? You gonna touch the water? I guess you should have wear your Crocs. I didn't know it was gonna be so nice. Okay. This is so nice. What are you doing? I feel like taking out my shoes and going in the water. Look at it. Look at this guy. He's afraid to go over in the stone. If you slip, there's only one thing can happen. Fall in the water.
Watch out, watch out. They don't want to get their shoes wet.
Come on, yeah.
Now, Courtney, you move. Courtney, get out the picture. Watch out now. Watch out.
One fall is done, we're next on to the next.
Oh, why? Courtney, why would you do that? You know there's helicopters.
Yes, Jade, you're afraid of helicopters? So now we're going to Canterbury. I can't just say Canterbury. Canterbury Hills.
But I feel like we should have drove because they said you could park down here.
Yeah, park in the down there.
So maybe we should go for the car.
I think so. That's not tiring.
Oh,
We
yeah.
don't know.
Yeah. Like, we don't, like I was just gonna say, like, there's just a country where they didn't say 5 kilometers, 6 kilometers, 8 kilometers,
Yeah,
9 kilometers.
It just says that way.
You just said,
An arrow.
just say that way. Like Quaver.
That way.
That way. That way?
Yeah, that way. Raindrops. Drop top.
Smoking or ticking a laptop. Crop top. Shop top.
I'm gonna ha.
Change it another lyric?
I don't know the lyrics.
You guys don't even know how to memorize songs. So guys, I'm pretty sure it makes sense for us to take one of these. So we got the Great Outdoors. That's for JJ. She's the reader woman. And we also have Dundas Valley.
Okay, Canterbury Falls you have to pay, guys. $11. And we're not even staying long, so why would we pay $11?
Let's look for someone close to the road park.
So yeah, Courtney's driving around. Shane has the map in hand. And we are on to the next.
So now we at fall number 3, which is
back
technically fall number 2 because we couldn't get to the second fall. And
160 meters, so we got a little bit of a walk.
yeah, probably like a 2-3 minute walk. Okay, give you guys a full view.
Ooh, guys, where are we? We're at Balls Point.
No.
50 points.
Okay.
You never have to put map in front of your ass driver.
All right, guys, we are at 50 Point Conservation Place, and guys, it was a little bit of a struggle getting here because first of all, I didn't know where it was. Then we had to use GPS. Phone didn't have data. It was just rough in these streets, but we got our map and we are in. Just so you know, every day before 6 o'clock is $15.50 per car, and for each passenger it's $5 each, so you know. But after 6 o'clock it's $15.50 per car, and that's it. And it's after 6 o'clock here.
So we have beach picnic area.
Beach. We're going to the beach.
Restaurant, I'm hungry.
Courtney.
Restaurant, marina, and boat lunch.
Courtney, go to the beach first.
Okay. Okay, beach you go, you have your swimsuit.
I'm taking off my shoes this time.
Oh, the beach is
Hey,
already
Shane?
far away.
We need to see what the beach looks like, just in case, like, if we need to come back, we'll come back
Oh, the marina.
and make a day of it. Alright guys, this is where we are at. We literally just parked and we were just walking up this way just to see what it's at. But there is a trail. We're gonna walk the trail just now, but we just really wanted to see what the water was like. And yeah, you can see far out. You can see the city skyline of, that might be Toronto. Not quite. Oh, there's Toronto. Sorry. Okay, you guys can see all the way there. It's Toronto. Oh, this is what we wanted to see. The
I thought you
lighthouse.
could have actually go inside the lighthouse and look over.
So is this the beach?
Yeah.
Is this
You know
the
what?
beach?
Yeah, that's the trail to the lighthouse. That's what the sign says. Oh, I'm on vacation every single day. Hey. Ah!
boat want to give us a ride?
Just take the jet ski.
15 minutes.
Hey. So yes guys, we're at the beach. I know you guys really want to see the beaches. Huh? We have no lifeguard, no fireplace. Yeah. Whoa.
Yeah.
Oh, the water is calm.
Nice.
Yeah. Booga shaka. Cold? Oh, the water is deep, you know. Okay.
Come on, you see it drop off right
In sandbank. So, babe, what do you think about the beach so far?
It's actually really nice. I would come back here and just chill because it's really nice.
You gonna come aquí and lie down and gravel?
My towel.
Oh, it stretches all the way out there. Eh? What is this beach called?
Hey. Every single day, Courtney loves my reputation. No, this is really nice, man. Can we come back? If I come back, I need to go in the water, though.
Come back out here?
Yeah.
Maybe.
With my water too.
Come back with barbecue grill.
Okay, guys, it is cartwheel time. Courtney's working out, getting ready. We want to know.
Never did a cartwheel?
Please comment down below who had the best cartwheel, Shane or Courtney. Okay, I'll be in it. Hold on.
Okay.
Shower.
Okay.
Ready?
Set. Go.
I feel like I pulled my hamstring. Come closer, Courtney. Yeah, okay, go. 3. Watch out. That's not a cartwheel, but okay. Okay, wait, go back a bit. Watch out. All right. Shane, you must have hurt yourself, man. You hurt yourself? Listen here, okay? Don't let nobody tell you can't do nothing because you're gonna prove them wrong.
Yeah, but you didn't do it properly.
I still did it
better than us.
Yeah, I did it better than the boys. Let me tell you, Team Janelle all day, every day because...
Yeah, that's
everybody does the cartwheel.
No,
Ooh.
cartwheel is for females.
Courtney,
Everybody do cartwheel.
thank you, Shane. You can't just accept the law.
Man legs can spread out like that.
Oh my gosh, here we go. Listen, I already know. Type it down below. Let me know who had the best cartwheel.
One. That one, there was just a bloopers. No fun.
Okay, no, let's do a race. Let's do a race. Yes. Let's do a race. Okay, since the guys want to win something, you know, we decided to do a race, okay? Let me put down my bag. I need my phone because we're going to time it. But this is it. The guys are going to start from this tree, okay? They're going to start from this tree. They're going to make sure their foot is right, aligned with the tree. So between those 2 trees, boom, boom. Right here. Yeah, right in the middle of the ash. Okay, I have the stopwatch ready. I am going to prop you guys up so you guys can see. On your marks, get set, go! .4. Okay. Courtney got 4.04. All right. Get set. Go.
Uh-huh.
4.29. Courtney right now is the fastest. Okay. You're 4.29. Courtney 4.04.
4.04?
Yeah.
Go I mean slow poke.
Okay, get set.
What's a thief them, man?
Full start.
What's a thief
On the mark, get set, go.
Struggling, struggling, struggling. That's supposed to fight.
Jesus Christ, yes.
Yeah, man, that's struggling. Yo, you're gonna see her struggle.
Guys, my time. My time. Yeah.
It's like you're gonna get here tomorrow.
Yeah. I thought I was running so fast. Okay, Courtney.
I mean, she started off with a boat when she get in the center.
Yo, me not believe Courtney time. We're doing a race between me and Courtney.
Okay. Alright. Shane don't like to lose. Okay, let's see who wins out of the boys. Alright guys, here's the finish line. I'm giving them a side view. And there we are. On your marks! Get set! Go! Here's the side view. Courtney win. Courtney built up speed right at the end. Boy. How does it feel to run?
Huh?
So I mean, I get the hand clap either.
Them young boy.
Yeah.
People like 40 years old. He's 28.
Okay. Lies and lies, but you know. Oh my gosh, this was so fun. Thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you think, who did you think was gonna win that race?
The person who wins.
Courtney robbed me.
Listen, I just found out that I'm slow. I didn't think I was slow, but now I know I'm slow. So it's all good. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.